looking at, guys?
It's a slug.
Yeah?
Slug. Don't touch him.
Don't touch him?
Yeah.
Why?
Because he will pinch you.
He will pinch you? I don't think he'll pinch me. You could touch him if you want. He'll just be slimy. You want to touch him? What does it feel like, Joe?
What does it feel like? Can you touch it?
You touch it.
Me? I don't want
You
it.
can touch it.
I don't want
You touch it.
it. No.
You touch it.
No.
You touch it.
No. You touch it.
You do it.
I did.
You did? What did he feel like?
Like a donut.
Like a donut?
What's he trying to do?
He's trying to escape.
What does
Goodness.
skate mean?
Look at his little antenna.
Why do we have
His little antenna.
what do we have antennas for?
That's how he sees the world. He uses his antenna. Joe, he's gonna escape, and he's gonna tickle you.
Hey, what happened to his other one? There it is.